Ever wondered what's really happening inside a hornet's nest? It might look calm from the outside, but inside, it's a world full of life, teamwork, and survival. The feeding process of hornet larvae is similar to wasps because both belong to the same family. Both hornets and wasps feed their young with protein-rich meat from other insects. But hornets are much more powerful hunters. They can even catch bees or large moths. It all starts with one single queen, a survivor from the previous year. After waking up from hibernation in spring, she begins her journey alone. She finds a safe place, maybe a tree branch, an attic, or even under a roof, and starts to build a few tiny paper cells made from chewed up wood fibers mixed with her saliva. Then she lays her first batch of eggs, usually around 10 to 20. These eggs hatch into small, hungry larvae, her very first generation of workers. At first, the queen does everything: hunting, building, feeding. She catches small insects, flies, caterpillars, and spiders, chews them into a soft pulp, and feeds it to her larvae. After a few weeks, the first workers emerge. Now, the queen stops hunting and focuses only on laying eggs. The workers expand the nest, build more layers, and take care of the next generations. The feeding process continues for about 2 to 3 weeks per batch of larvae, until they're ready to spin their cocoons and become adult hornets. Once a larva is fully grown, the workers seal the cell with a thin paper cap. Inside, the larva transforms into a pupa and later emerges as an adult hornet. Closing the cell helps protect the developing pupa from parasites, temperature changes, and hungry intruders. Inside the nest, everything runs like a well-organized factory. Workers repair the nest, guard the entrance, and hunt for food. Each layer of the nest holds hundreds of cells, all perfectly arranged in hexagonal shapes for strength and space efficiency. This is one key difference between hornet and wasp nests. Hornet nests are usually larger, rounder, and fully enclosed, while paper wasp nests are open and umbrella-shaped, exposing the cells. As summer ends, the queen lays her final batch of eggs, which grow into new queens and males. After mating, the new queens leave the nest to find places to hibernate through winter. The old queen, along with the workers, eventually dies off as the cold weather comes. It's the end of one cycle and the beginning of another. Sometimes hornets drop a few larvae from the nest. This can happen when food is scarce or when the colony grows too large. The workers choose to feed the strongest larvae and abandon the weaker ones, a tough but necessary survival strategy. The dropped larvae usually die or get eaten by other insects, sometimes even their own kind. Nature can be harsh. So next time you see a hornet's nest, remember, inside that paper fortress lies a perfectly balanced society built on teamwork, sacrifice, and survival instincts. From one queen to hundreds of workers, that's what really happens inside a hornet's nest. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you want to see next.